Okay, so the adventure of today is we are buying material for Students Association of Science Day. But first we're getting food. Sitting at Chipotle and I run into more Gwynedd students.
How are you?
What are you getting, Tommy?
Nothing. I'm on a diet for the new year.
I'm not. Tarjay! Alright, so we are at S.A.S Science Day planning meeting. This is my friend Eric. He's a nerd, just not as nerdy as us. He's also dating a nerd, so we kind of had to accept him. What are you drawing, Emily?
A lava lamp.
This is El Presidente.
Hello.
Hello! You tell we're all type A science nerds. Now, let me see your strawberry.
Nope.
Joe, let me see it. Joe!
Can't see it.
S.A.S, join us.
Be one of us.
Days Science Day! What are we doing in here?
We are making oobleck.
Oh. So are you enjoying your Science Day? You're making goop, right?
Oh, it's gonna get messy.
It's okay. Start stirring.
Look at that.
Here, put it.
Oh yeah, look, this is perfect.
Oh my, your hands in it.
So amazing.
So you guys have to stare at the dot, and as you're staring at it, move your head front and back.
Get the dot.
Symmetry.
You're finished.
Is that a flower? That looks amazing. And can you show me how it's symmetrical? Can you show me?
Fold it down.
Oh my gosh. John, you want to be a scientist, John?
Me too.
You too? What did you make?
Ooh.
All symmetrical. We just went from the bilateral room, and now we're headed to the touchable bubbles room, which was really exciting. Yeah, so we saw optical illusions, and then this morning when we were in class, they did extracted DNA from strawberries. What are you guys doing?
Oh, that's so cool.
Whoa, did you see it bounce?
Hold it on this side and blow it out the other side.
So what are you making right now? Lava lamp, right? Lava lamp. And scientist Joe explained to you that the reason that the oil's on top because it's lighter, right? What's your favorite experiment here at Science Day?
The blue.
The blue goop? You like the blue goop? Isn't that fun? What do you want to be when you get older?
A doctor.
Oh, what do you want to be?
Doctor.
What do you want to be?
A dog.
You want to be a dog? What do you want to be when you're older?
It was like
A scientist.
A scientist?
A
Yeah!